breakfast meeting, it seems that the invitation is now being reciprocated, and this is now coming in from the Deputy Chief Minister, who has invited Chief Minister Siddaramaiah for a breakfast meeting on Tuesday, which is tomorrow. So this development is coming at a time to show and to project that everything is well between the two leaders within their two camps and in Karnataka Congress. And it seems that this instruction that is coming in directly from the party high command itself. But remember, on Saturday, as far as the 9:30 breakfast meeting started half an hour later, what has been said that DKS made the Chief Minister wait for about half an hour, and this meeting that happened for about 35 minutes later between the Idli Sambar breakfast meeting, and thereafter this briefing, a short media briefing happened with which they projected that everything is being done at the behest of the media and the opposition BJP. But in a moment of this rare unity that was projected on part of the both of the leaders there, on one thing that they maintained on the same page, that the final decision rests with the party high command. Then it was being said that both of the leaders would be summoned to the national capital in a day or two. The entire decision would be finalized, but it seems that DKS has now sent across this breakfast meeting invitation to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. We'll be getting you the live updates heading into a short break.